So it's a little bit smaller than I thought, but it does the job. Let's see here. People were complaining about it like blowing out cold air, but if you turn the dial to the second one, then both sides will heat up and blow out hot air. I think it's just, and you turn this dial as your heat sensor, and it's blowing hot air out on both sides. Very hot air. And if you turn this to the 1, then this side starts to blow out warm air, and then it's not as hot. Then there's the fan. The fan's still hot, but this side doesn't blow out hot air. It's only one side. So it's done a pretty good job. And if you lift it up, the sensor goes off and it turns off, and then it comes right back on. So awesome. The whole device doesn't heat up either. I have it sitting on a plastic, which is not very safe, but I don't have anywhere else to put it right now. So I do recommend. It does heat up my entire room, and the air is very hot. So recommend.
Heater, it works really good, but the problem is that it didn't come with all the parts. And when I say all the parts, like on this heater, which is my old heater, has this thing right here. It goes down so that when the heater is upright, the heat will come on. Well, this one, that part was missing off my new one. So my husband put some tape over it, a really strong tape over it, so that that could stay constantly down, that button that wasn't there. So that area, he put that tape there so it would know that it's okay to come on, so to speak. But it works really good once it's on. It's just make sure that all your parts are there. But it is a good heater. It heats very, very well, and it's really strong. Just wanted to let you know about that part.
Hi everyone, just doing a review on this heater I bought, BLACK+DECKER. I definitely needed one that was small, convenient, that could fit under my desk, and this definitely does. The only thing I do not like about it is it does not oscillate. I do like that you can have a fan and 2 different heating settings on here. It does suck because it does have this little button right here that you do have to make sure it's pressed before it works. Kind of nice for safety reasons, but other than that, it is a good working heater. It works pretty nice just for under the desk, small little area. There is new carpet on the floor, so it doesn't work as well, but it's different features, the fan, different features of the heater one.
It makes a very loud noise when turned on. That's very annoying.
The front grille has been dented in. That's fan only. That's low power. That's high power.